not? I see some of my alumni in here. How long has it been since you got your job?
December.
2 months. You fresh feet. What has it been like? What has it been like on a new? Oh, hold on. First off, tell us what you did before Colaberry.
So I worked in customer service. I worked at a hospital answering phone calls regarding bills.
And so what is your role now?
Right now, I am a Tableau developer.
Tableau developer. So what does that entail? What is your day-to-day like?
It entails basically creating reports I work in healthcare. So I create reports for clients regarding healthcare, regarding software for the healthcare industry. And it involves a lot of coding and things like that.
So what did you know about that before you joined Colaberry?
Zero. Absolutely nothing.
So you just been on your job 2 months. What has been your experience? Do you feel like you're able to cope with what's asked of you, or do you feel like you're struggling?
I mean, like, it's been so easy. Like, going through Colaberry made it super easy. I actually have a colleague who started a month before I did, and I'm actually helping her with her report. So whatever you learn at Colaberry, it is way higher than what you have to do in the real world.
What was it like for you going through the program? Because it's not all peaches and roses. Like, we don't want to set that perspective. What was it really like going through the program?
I'm going to be honest. The first phase, I was like, oh my gosh, do I really want to continue? This is so hard. This is so difficult. But I was like, you know what? I'm going to do it. And then the second phase was even much more, it was harder. You had to, you would get grilled. If you are not determined, if you are not motivated, you will quit. But if you are determined, you can pull it through. If you do everything they tell you to do, trust me, when you get to work, it is the exact thing that you're going to do at work. As a matter of fact, Colaberry teaches you a lot more than what you're going to do at work.